How to use Spotify A1 DJ. Introduction. Spotify is a popular music streaming service that has gained popularity among DJs for its extensive music library and convenience. Here's a beginner's guide to using Spotify as a DJ tool. Getting started. Sign up for a Spotify premium account as it allows you to download music for offline use and eliminates ads. Download and install the Spotify app on your device. Prepare your music. Create playlists. Organize your tracks into playlists based on genres, moods, or themes. Download tracks. Make sure to download songs for offline use to ensure they're available when you don't have an internet connection. DJ software compatibility. Choose DJ software that is compatible with Spotify. As of my knowledge cutoff date in September 2021, not all DJ software works with Spotify. However, some like Serato DJ and J Pro do connect Spotify to DJ software. Open your DJ software, connect your Spotify account to the DJ software using the provided integration or authorization options. Queue and mix. Load your playlists into your DJ software. Use your DJ software's interface to queue tracks, beat match, and mix seamlessly. Sync and tempo adjustment. Utilize features like sync and tempo adjustment in your DJ software to ensure a smooth transition between tracks, effects, and mixing techniques. Learn jing techniques, including EQ adjustments, effects, and looping to enhance your mixes. Performance tips. Understand the importance of song selection, reading the crowd, and building a set that creates a dynamic Atmosphere. Legal considerations. Be aware of the legal implications of using Spotify in a public performance context. Spotify's terms of use may restrict its use for commercial jing. Practice and experiment. Practice regularly to improve your DJ skills and experiment with different styles and techniques. Explain the basics of AI and machine learning. Discuss how AI is transforming various industries, including music. AI in music recommendation. Explain how AI algorithms work in recommending music to users. Discuss the Discover Weekly and Release Radar features, personalization, and user experience. Describe how AI enhances the user experience on Spotify. Discuss how personalization algorithms work. Content analysis and classification. Explain how AI is used to analyze and categorize music content. Discuss how this aids in playlist creation and music discovery. Challenges and ethical considerations. Address the potential challenges and biases in AI-based music recommendations.